everybody, it's my AK, and say, what are we doing here, and what is this?
Well, it is dilapidated, it is grotesque, it is macabre. We are in the neighborhood of Pleasant Ridge, downtown Cincinnati.
Yeah, my school is really close from here, like less than a minute away from here.
And
this has to be even worse than the habaneros and Dunkin' Donuts, like, because look.
It is in real rough shape. You can see the chain link fences are up. The old menu boards are vacant and empty.
I don't want to touch this fence, because what if it was electric? There's a car.
We're down here downtown. The visibility on this one, we got a lot of eyes on us.
Yeah, there's a lot of, this is like a trash area now, when back in the day this actually used to be a fun place.
Well, yeah, this is where families would come, couples on dates would come in here and get a taste. Can you look in there and can you see anything inside?
Yeah, I think I see light.
No way.
Yes way.
Very hard to photograph. I'm just gonna look in with myself. Oh yeah, I can see the tile floor, that brown tiled floor.
There's lights and stuff. It's even grotesque in there too. It's like this used to be an amazing place where you could eat.
You could have a milkshake.
And now I really just want a burger right now.
And so we are raising some suspicion, but, and just a disclaimer here, there are signs here that say no trespassing, no dumping. That being said,
AK universe, we're gonna do that anyway.
we don't encourage any illicit behavior at home, any illegal activities.
I don't know if I see anything or not, but
they got it padlocked. They got it screwed shut with a wooden plank. AK, time is of the essence, brother. Let's take a quick look around back. And then we'll blow this popsicle stand.
No, I would not want to turn this into anything because, like, it's so grotesque and, like, there's no risk.
Frankenstein's monster.
Stepping in glass.
So this is probably the coldest day that we've shot since all the way back in January of 2021 when we did the All-Star Chili video in Forest Park. It was actually snowing that day.
In my hair, so my hair probably looks really weird. No.
So,
and people, we break the rules. Other people break the rules. It's not. Oh.
All the digital monitoring software and hardware sets alone and cold.
But this is where you get your amazing Whoppers.
Flame grill, do you know that? Back here, this is a special parking spot for the manager on duty. He was in the back office scrolling reviewtheworld.com though. He wasn't helping the clientele here get their onion rings with their zesty dipping sauce. Yeah.
What does this lead to? Like, what does this?
Where does it go? Nobody knows. You can see the ventilation equipment up there to get that flame grilled smell.
The only thing you can ever in your life see is the wind. The only good stuff you can see is inside the place, and it's this. Yeah,
you always want to check. Yikes! You always want to check the dumpster area, but do so cautiously. Watch out for glass and other foreign objects.
Why is there a lock? Oh
and
yeah,
a big chunk of some kind of a girder, some kind of an industrial size. Oh, well,
we left their pizza.
We parked a couple blocks away for safety and security, so we're gonna walk back to the vehicle. Everybody, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully the audio was good here. My hands were cold. I hope I wasn't covering the mic.
Yeah, and
we do our best.
One thing is that we have a couple such we just got our brand new shredder.
Yeah.
Shredder.
Talking about my new whip, my new ride. We call our shredder.
Snow.
2021 RAV4. You know how I go.
Here. And like this is probably the grotesquest like, know what? Whatever our most grotesque video was, I think this beats that.
It might, man. I'm thinking back. That White Castle was pretty hideous. We've seen some rallies. We've seen some gross places out there. But we're gonna go grab some lunch. Let's get out of here, AK. Pound that dog. All right, man.
Okay.
See you later, Richard Gere.
Peace.